Hey everyone! Setting up dark mode isn't just about a quick toggle. It's about creating a workspace that keeps you productive during those long shifts. Today, we're going a step beyond the basic settings. I'll show you how to skin your Freshdesk agent portal with a Chrome extension, and even how to customize your WordPress integrated help center using a specific plugin. Let's get your setup looking professional. Step 1. The Chrome extension shortcut. If you want more control than the native settings offer, head to the Chrome Web Store and look for the Dark Mode for Freshdesk extension. Once installed, this allows you to adjust brightness and contrast specifically for the Freshdesk interface. It works by injecting a custom theme layer over your console, which is perfect for agents who find the standard dark mode still a bit too blue or washed out. Step 2. Customizing your Help Center, WordPress. Now, what about your customers? If your Freshdesk portal is integrated into a WordPress site, you can keep the look consistent using the Simple Custom CSS and JS plugin. Install and activate it from your WordPress dashboard. This CSS code that targets your Freshdesk widgets or embedded portal elements. You don't have to edit your theme files. You just print the code to the header of your site. Step 3. Implementing the CSS. Once in the plugin, click Add Custom CSS. You can find dark theme CSS snippets online specifically for Freshdesk. When you paste that code here, it tells the browser, when someone visits the help desk, swap the white background for hex code 121212 and make the text white. This ensures that your customers get the same eye-friendly experience your agents do. Step 4. Syncing with system settings. Finally, for the ultimate 2026 setup, ensure you select System Default in your Freshdesk profile. This syncs your help desk with your computer's schedule, so as the sun goes down and your OS shifts to dark mode, Freshdesk will automatically follow suit without you lifting a finger. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.